Parang dinosaur. What's that?
Donkey?
No. Dinosaur.
Pero their original distribution is in Africa. So these lions are all male siblings, and they just turned 8 years old last May 1. So he's not blind, ma'am. He's just sleepy.
Years without drinking water, as they can get malnourished, they need some food like succulent and processed. The logo of Qatar Airways and the national animal of Qatar, gemsbok or oryx. And the highlights here in African savanna, the zebra. So they are black skin with white stripe. They can use their stripe to camouflage, confuse, and as predators. There are no two zebras with the same patterns or stripes like our fingerprints, and they are closely related to horses and donkeys. They fighting off predators by kicking and biting, and they can do also sleeping while standing. And for your information, Ma'am and Sir, slowly. And our first antelope is blast box, so a reddish brown in color with prominent white plates to its face and forehead. They can grow up to 33 to 39 inches tall and weighs 50 to 80 kilograms. Originates from African world.
Okay. Okay. God. What?
Walang nga, dinadagalan yung si Portia.
Bakit nagulong? Sumakay. Baka isama mo yung tong.
How does the tongue hold into here?
Ay. Hindi ko ako ha? Ano ka, Jay?
Fake rock.
How am I gonna grab? Wait,
Ikikipit ko.
ano ba tayo grab?
Hindi na ako ha.
Bro,
Bato mo na lang.
that's it.
Wag, baka isang. Ako.
Asus na ko, ma'am, be. Ako like ang
Ayan, oh. Hawaki.
2 hands, baby. 2 hands, be. Ako, be. Ako muna. 2 hands. 2 hands, na. 2 hands, ha. Careful.
Hey,
Oh.
got some food.
Throw. DJ. Akin na.
Wait,
JJ. Dito lang kami.
how do I release without throwing the tongue?
Ha? Eh di ano, luwagan mo yung hawak.
Oops. It fell on the
Practice mo na lang
floor.
kaya yung ano. Kamain ko na lang.
Okay. Hold this. Like this.
Oh.
Then. Yes, like that.
Ikaw. You know what to do. God's speed.
Okay.
Ah, it's a fight. No to tell.
Nasa ilalim ng kangkong.
What's the to tell?
Ang galing mo isa nagtatago doon sa kangkong.
To tell. Oh, they're backing off.
Ano yun? Di ba yung tubig daw nila yun? It's hanging up high. Ba't umuurong sila? Napakulitan yung dalawa? Lagi magkadikit. Yala, it's coming down, Jenny! Yeah, video lang.
Hello!
Hi!
Malapit on sexy. See how sexy it is.
Yang Ellen.
How sexy.
Make your bilang.
Hello! Lunchtime ba? Ay, oo, nakita niya yung ano,
Alin?
yung zookeeper.
Akala niya may dala. Oh,
Aww.
nag-disappoint siya, oh.
Wala.
habang
Gutom na.
Makat the legs. Ay, ano nga ba yung sa Manila? So may laman siyang nakalawit na gano'n sa hindi ba?
Sad na naglagan.
Ano, kukulitan yung dalawa, oh.
Magpa-baby
Ang
lang
pangkulit nila yung head nila. Grabe ang haba.
Baby pa lang yung isa.
Strong there.
Ba't sabay silang nanulat?
Movement. O, timo ba ka movement? O, timo. Oh, 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 may dance step na sila. Oh, bug. Oh. Gaganti yan, oh, bugs. Oh, bugs.
Ba't na ganon?
Ano yan?
Baka mating dan.
Ay, yeah, maybe.
Nakakaliyo.
Video.
Ate ba?
Video mo talaga.
That's the giraffe.
Nasaan ba ang giraffe?
Ayun, ang giraffe. Video. Baba mo, wala si JJ. Pointing at the tree.
Ay, nasaan? Ay,
Ayun,
tinaklaban
nasa
ni Nina.
likod.
Ay, saan ba? Ayun.
Ayun.
There.
Yeah.
Ay, di kita si Jay. There, yun. Yung ba? Tama ba ang akin?
Yeah.
Oh, like, tingin na sa ano.
Tumakbo na.
Ha?
Okay na.
Sila, oh.
Kasi nakalaya.
Teka.
Yard mo.
Why are you going over to me? I know. I know. Ang haba ng beak ng white na pelican. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Sino ka?
Sa Manila sila nakalublog sila sa sila.
For some instance,
Ano pa magat
there's a
nila?
lock here.
Capybara.
It's gonna be locked forever.
Capybara.
Favorite mong capybara?
Nangangagat ba yan?
Come on.
Oo, ng boys.
Dali, Jay, oh. Ito, parang
Hello.
big mouse.
What is that?
Like a big mouse. It's a capybara.
What is that?
Come on.
I'm finding out.
May isa pang ano.
Bait yun, no?
Yan na, yan na. Oh my God.
What is that?
Hello, Mr.
Capybara.
Capybara.
Pwedeng lumapit. Yes, sige. Yes. Hi. Yan na, close encounter. Come, Jay.
Hello.
Bye.
Hello. Oh my God.
This thing better don't bite.
Ala, hindi niya makita ang way.
That
pa meron
filthy
Naligaw.
animal move. A peacock up
No, JJ!
There's a
Takot sa'yo.
Hello, chick. Hello, chick. Hello, chick. Hello.
Just no. Just no. Chick. Hello, chick. Uy.
That kind of looks like a chick.
Hello. Hello.
It's too smart to be true.
Tinamad ko na. Hello, donkey.
Be, baka mauntog pag tayo ha.
Certainly don't like.
Yun, napapakain na ni ate. Be, hawakan mo yung stem. Doon ka tate. Be,
Upo kayong dalawa.
baka mga pet nyo yung kita.
Kita niyo ng puti.
Baka mauntog be. Wala ka muna eh. Ang bait. Jay, we can see you. Jay, we can see the rabbit eating. Doon ka sa other side. Ang dami. Hindi ka. Jay, doon ka sa other side. You can only see your back.
You wait for your turn. You wait for
Jay.
your turn.
Kasi ano mga si Jay?
Kinatuban mo na yung rabbit eh.
Pwede na lang kita.
Sa? Ay, sorry. Hello, would you like to come with me?
They're on trees.
Kasi likod ni JJ.
Daming ikot dito at the side. Kita.
Oo.
Oh, with this one. Kita.
Kita.
Yay.
Nasa ulo. Kinakain yung sombrero ko. That is not a food. Dito daw sa gitna. Ay, sorry po. Hello. Kinakain yung ano ko. Ha? Galit siya. Ay, umalis. Hello. Hello.
I can
Kahit wala ako sombrero.